Hi, this is Dan from FounderPal. Marketing is complicated and confusing, and that's why we built FounderPal to help solopreneurs like you spend less time on it. Let me show you how it works. Let's say we have a link in bio tool that is targeted on startup founders. On this platform, we'll have a marketing strategy for this product. First thing we want to understand is who is our ideal customer, and instead of running 50 customer interviews, we will get a persona description with all actionable insights that will be the backbone of our marketing. Next step is to connect this persona with our product, and this is what product positioning is for. These insights will help us to communicate our value proposition and our unique advantages better. This is the foundation of your marketing. Now you want to get more actionable. For example, you want to know what you need to do in your next marketing week, how you can acquire more users and convert them better. And this is what marketing ideas are for. And you don't get just an idea, you also get a step-by-step plan how to implement this idea in your specific business with your specific audience. And if you are into content marketing, for example, you can generate content ideas that are relevant and are aligned with the content channels that you are interested in. And that's how you can do marketing every week. But if you are looking to improve your marketing funnel and increase your conversion rate, you can get more actionable assets for this task. For example, you can get different pricing options to have a better monetization model for your customers, or you can audit your landing page and understand what's working and what should be improved. And all of these insights are available to you in less than 5 minutes. This is Marketing Strategy Generator, and you can try it today for free. And I will see you around. Bye bye.